right, so we're here, got the G82, and I want to talk to all of you about the Mishimoto auxiliary coolers. All right, so Kies Motorsports had sent me over the Mishimoto auxiliary coolers. Now, one thing that I do love about these coolers is that they legit maintain my car cool no matter the temperature so far that I've experienced. I've taken this thing out to the track and I've done 50 laps in one weekend at Button Willow Raceway, and it was just amazing. The car handled so well, and I gotta encourage all of you, if you don't have auxiliary coolers in your BMW, I mean, the M4 is kind of built out to be a sustainable beast stock to go to the track, but if you want to handle preventative, maintenance and make sure that you won't run into any issues later, I highly recommend it. Now, the Mishimoto auxiliary coolers work in such a way that it keeps the car cool when needed. They're bigger, they take on more coolant, and it just does more of a performance aspect than the OEM. When I took out the OEM ones, they look a lot smaller, and the Mishimotos are a little bit bigger. So more cooling power, more fans, more vents, more liquid, and all that adds into adding more cooling power to the G82. Now, one thing I'm really excited about is that with the G82, when I take it out to the track in the summer, I know I'm going to experience high temperatures. Now, granted, I did take the car out at 117-degree weather at Streets of Willow, and if you've been to Streets of Willow, it's just there's no covering. There's not even a place for me to put it in shade because there's no garages, there's no covering for the sun. So this car is going to have a beating, and I'm excited because with the OEM cooling system, the OEM coolers, it handled pretty well. So I can't even imagine what the Mishimoto auxiliary coolers would do in reference to keeping the car cool. One thing I recommend is that you reach out to Kies Motorsports and pick up one of these when you're planning on tracking your BMW, especially if you're not in an M car. Get your cooling fixed because, it's not about power. I wouldn't recommend that you go out and tune your car. Definitely get some tires and wheels, but if it's your first time, get some preventative maintenance. Just honestly take out your car first and experience the track for yourself, and then see what you need. But cooling is a big deal with your car because honestly it will overheat. Your brakes, your stopping power, that's something critical. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions on going to the track, I will do a video on just my experiences in going for the track for the very first time. But if you're interested in it, reach out to me, drop a comment, and I'll give you more information. I may do a whole video talking about that and what preparation you should take to go to the track. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.